I've had this problem for quite a few years, say three years anyway. And I'm sitting in a sitting position. When I got up, it was painful. Going up the stairs was painful, and walking was painful.
From 0 to 10, what was that pain level in there?
I'd say a 10.
It was about 10.
Yeah.
Was it getting worse with time?
Yes. I've been to my regular doctors, and they didn't know what the problem was other than bone on bone and arthritis. And to get pain medication, you can get pain medication very, very easily. Then you read all these side effects to it.
Were you told you needed surgery?
Not now, but probably eventually. I've seen some of your videos that you put out, and I said, well, it's got to be some truth to it, you know.
So when you came to us, we diagnosed you with moderate to advanced degeneration in your right hip. We gave recommendations for some regenerative medicine procedures. And when you had the procedure done, could you describe what that was like? Was it different than what you expected?
Much different than I expected. The whole procedure was painless. All you do, the nurse that injected it, I guess it's the tapping that she did kind of distracted you. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
But the whole procedure was much better than I anticipated. Great results. The pain is gone. Can walk longer, and I feel more energetic to do things, you know.
And it's been 2 weeks since we did the procedure?
2 weeks, Thursday. Tomorrow.
2 weeks from tomorrow. Okay. Are you happy you did the procedure then?
Absolutely.
Would you recommend anybody else?
Yes.
Okay.